Trudging to the Mississippi Part 3 in seek of food. Must eat. Let's get 'em ready. Ooh. Wonder what that was. I think it matters. I think everything tastes like the Mississippi River, no matter what. Besides, if you swallow something whole, who knows what it tastes like? You know, within boundaries. Yum. Yes. Yes. Oh. Perhaps a drink of water. Not so much of a catch. But that belly's gotta be full, huh? How can you fly? What is this? He picked up a twig. He's flossing. I get my floss on. I'm the bird today. Floss all day, every day. 'Cause I eat raw fish and I need something to floss with. Here I go, and I love you. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I have business to attend to. Thank you, bird. Thank you, nature. Thank you, love. Thank you, God. Thank you, everything.